Hi viewers, hope you are watching our videos related to company incorporation and its promotions for the last so many months. After setting up a company, of course, you need to have a bank account. We, Emirates Chartered Accountants Group, guide you to open a bank account in any of the banks in the UAE. We are getting queries related to opening the bank accounts for different formations such as mainland companies, free zone companies or offshore companies, and it can be for existing customers or for new investors. Now let us discuss what are the things to be taken care while opening a bank account. Of course, now you have a company in your hands. You have all the documents related to company also with you, like the trade license, then the share certificate, MOA, certificate of incorporation, power of attorney, board resolution, those who is going to sign in the bank. All these things is ready, then we have to hand over the same thing to the banker and he will verify the documents and along with the application signed, he will submit to the bank's department. Not only that, once all these things ready, the banker will inquire about the company, what business you are going to do. Based on the activity in the license, you can do different types of transactions and they will ask who is your suppliers, who will be your suppliers and who will be your customers. If it is existing customer, existing business, then they will be asking about your business for the previous months or previous years. For the new investors, they need to know your customers and suppliers and from which country the business is going to happen. And also they need to know how frequently the money will come to the bank and what will be the amount of money will be coming to the bank and in which type, whether it is cash or check or any bank transfers. They need to analyze the cash amount, what is the percentage of cash deposits of cash transfers related to this business and other. And based on all these things, they will prepare a business plan and submit to the bank, and finally the bank due diligence department will check it and they will issue the bank accounts number. Normally it takes around 2 to 3 weeks. If as an investor, if you cannot give the proper details to the banker, the delay will be more. Hence, you have to give all the requirements of a banker in time and properly, then they can issue the bank account number within no delay. Now your bank account is opened. Dear investors, not only that, you have to take care while doing any bank transactions as it has to be related to the business activities and the details given to the banker while you open the bank account. If it is changing, if it is not related to that, of course you have to inform to your relationship manager related to that. Dear investors, as I mentioned you earlier, we, Emirates Chartered Accountants Group, can guide you for opening the bank account in any local banks in UAE.